I'm just going to do it naturally first, and then I'll slow down and show you how I did it. This is how it ends up looking. I'm just going to show you real quick why they call it magic. And then I'm going to break it down. I'm doing single crochets right now. All right, so watch this. This tail right here, pull it. Look at that. When you pull the tail, it makes the circle scrunch up like that. And so the hole, maybe we can keep working in it. So like if you wanted 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 single crochet, you just keep pulling on this hole, on this tail until the hole closes. And then you don't have, look at that. So it's like, it's a pain in the butt, but also it's worth it because you don't get a hole in the center. Unlike with the other method, if you remember. All right, so let's break this down. So you're gonna hold the yarn like this. You've got about a 6-inch tail. You're gonna bring the yarn behind your fingers. You're going up and then over. And then I like to use my thumb here to pinch these two together. Okay, and then you stop, grab your hook, put the hook under the first strand, and then you're gonna hook the second strand and pull it under. So it looks like this. Then you're gonna let go your left hand and then hold the working yarn. It's very loose right here. So go ahead and do a chain to get secure. Okay, so now you're on there. You've got your magic ring. And then you're going to work 6 single crochet around both strands of yarn. So you've got the working yarn and you've got that beginning tail. You're going in the ring, around, up. So single crochet like normal. And when the ring starts to get too big to work with, which is I'm starting to feel it a little bit, use that beginning tail, just pull on it. And it just closes up like that. And then can keep working into the ring. And then you just kind of pull on that yarn as you go until you have your 6 single crochet stitches. Pulling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. I'm going to go ahead. With Magic Circle, I like to go ahead and do 1 single crochet on that next round just to get hooked, and then go back to that beginning tail and pull it tighter. See? And so now you have no hole in the middle and you are ready for business. All right, so let's do that again. This is one of the trickiest things in crochet. You could Google this right now and you'll find tons of videos showing you. Everyone just seems to have a different way of doing it. And I think people get really frustrated with learning this skill. So please let me know if you have any questions about this. But I'm going to do a slow-mo now so you can see, just get a better feel for this. Okay, here we go. Let's do it one more time in real time. And please go back and watch the slow-mo again if you need it. I promise the more you do this, the easier it gets. It's just muscle memory at this point. And it's totally up to you what you want to start each amigurumi project with. A lot of my patterns I do write, put the magic ring, do the magic ring first. But, I've also just done the chain 3 and slip stitch into that first chain, and it all works just fine. So it's total personal preference. But I definitely wanted to share how to do this because this is a big word in the crochet world. 4, 5, 6. Okay. All right. So please let me know if you have questions about this or need me to show it differently. I don't know. Just let me know because I want to make sure that you understand how to do this and how to get started.